Well, exactly, I know whether I'm connecting with people because there has to be some signal, right? कि यार चलो किसी से अगर प्यार हुआ तो पता कैसे चलेगा कि प्यार रियली में हुआ या फिर कुछ और है. So the connection point is something similar to a very simple example I'll give you. When if you have seen मालगाड़ी, अगर आपने ट्रेन देखी होगी, if you have seen train and all those stuff, right? Whenever engine connects with a bogie, have you observed the moment one bogie connects with engine, the whole chain of bogie gets a trickle effect. It just pushes up and suddenly it gets an effect, right? And the moment that effect it gets, when the engine pulls the bogie, it actually connects. So basically when you connect with people, you will get that feeling. Instantaneously you'll get a feeling, acha, I actually get connected. And in fact, let me tell you one good quote. The ability to connect with others begins with understanding the value of people. The moment you value people, you will exactly connect in a much faster way. So the first point which will help you to know whether you really connected with people or not is an extra effort. Whenever you talk to someone, anyone, in unknown people or known people, if after you speaking, if they're giving you an extra effort, then actually they connected. I have a very simple example to showcase. Almost 1 or 2 years back, when there was no COVID, I met with one of the very good couple. I went to their home, or it was first time I was meeting to them. I was sharing some ideas to them and having a cup of coffee and sharing some discussions. And after sharing some discussions, in the end of the meeting, it was around 30 to 45 minutes. I told, okay, it's gonna be time. Let me leave for my home. जैसे ही मैं निकला घर के लिए, both of them, they came. The floor was around second floor. Their home was in second floor in the building. They came with me. They came with me to the basement where my bike was parked, and they came completely and told me goodbye. They took additional effort, not just leaving me from the corridor, but they took that effort to come down to the gate and then properly bidding me bye. Why? Because they felt connected. They felt it was someone, खुद का कोई आदमी जा रहा है. And that is the first signal you will know exactly whether you got connected with someone or not, because you will see an extra effort from their side. Unsolicited appreciation. Once you connect with people, you also get good appreciation, a genuine appreciation. And definitely other point is unguarded openness. If you connect with someone, you will see he or she will share so many things which he or she would not have shared with anyone else. The multiple incidents happen with me when I'm connecting with a person. If he really connects, he speaks so happily, he feels so relaxed. और बाद में फिर बोलता है, किरण यार ये जो आपको मैं बता रहा हूँ ना, मैं किसी को नहीं बताया था ये चीज़. And there's my personal things which I'm sharing with you, Kiran. I never felt that comfortable to speak with anyone else, but I'm speaking to you. इसका मतलब क्या है? I did a good job in connecting with people. What is the other thing? Increased communication. The moment you make people comfortable, when they're open to you, they will express themselves without putting any cap. And they will increase the communication, and your job is just to connect and listen to them in a proper way. And they'll share their enjoyable experiences. In fact, they feel good about whenever they meet you, they feel good. In fact, whenever I meet Vijay, whenever I go to his home, going to his home only feels like a transformer. मैं जैसे ही जाता हूँ विजय के घर के आसपास, मुझे लगता है कि कुछ तो और आके मुझे चार्ज कर रहा है, पता नहीं कौन से ट्रांसफार्मर से मुझे एनर्जी मिल रहा है. जैसे बोलते हैं ना, 200 वोल्ट का आप जा रहे हो, 1000 वोल्ट का ट्रांसफार्मर है, जैसे ही आप जाओगे आपको वो पावर की फीलिंग आ जाती है. ट्रस्ट मी, एग्जैक्टली दैट आई फील. आई एम नॉट जोकिंग. यू विल फील दैट emotional bondedness, you'll feel that enjoyable experience, you'll feel that vibration of energy there. So growing synergy आपको feel होगी, positive energy feel होगी आपको. And whenever you talk to that person, you'll forget your negativity, whatever it happened. You feel good about it. And all those things, ultimately, when you have unconditional love, when you get an unconditional love from other people, let's say you meet some couple, or you're going to meet a friend, he or she is serving you unconditionally without thinking anything. They're serving you food, they're serving you whatever thing, and you feel that love from them. That is when you feel you're connected. So I've given you a lot of points. Just to summarize few of the points where you know exactly how do you know people are connecting with you or not, is when people give you an extra effort, and people give you an unsolicited appreciation, when people open with you unconditionally and increase their communication, when people enjoy the experience together, when people emotionally bond with you, when people share positive energy and growing synergy, and ultimately unconditional love.